Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I'm MD Nurun Nabi Talukdar, Assistant Teacher, Madhok Pasha, Chandradeep High School and College, Madhok Pasha, Babuganj, Borishal. Welcome, my dear students, to my online class. This class is for the students of 8, and my dear students of class 8, you know that you got some classes as per our online class. Today I will discuss about the topic reading test. Reading test. First, let's see a picture first. My dear students, think about these pictures that I showed you. Think about this picture sometime. Okay. Okay, my dear students, do you see these kinds of people who are roaming on boats in our waterways or rivers? Look, everybody, do you see such kinds of people who live on the boat? My students, do you see such kind of people who live on the boat? Do you see such kind of people who live on the boat? I think you imagine or thought about the picture. I showed you a picture first, and in this picture you could see that some people are on the boat and some people are relaxing in their tents. We can see such kinds of people living on the boats in our waters or some rivers, and we can also see them in an open river bank or in a place or in an open place near a river, and they live in a makeshift tarpaulin tents. And I think you all of them saw these kinds of people, and these kinds of people is called river gypsy. This kind of people is called river gypsies. River gypsies means the people who live in our rivers or our waterways, roaming from one place to another. Today we will know something about the river gypsies. River gypsies is an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They live on the boat because they don't own any land of their own. Their children are also brought up on the boat, and these boats are their houses. You can see this kind of people living in a makeshift tarpaulin tents. I showed you a picture. In that picture you could see some people are seated or under tents. These kinds of people are the river gypsies, and they are locally known as Bede. Now I can ensure that you all are known about Bede. We can easily see them in our village area, in open river banks, on the roaming boats. We can also see them, and they are locally known as Bede. We call them Bede. So, do you see such kinds of people who live on the boat? I think you can understand. You all see these kinds of people. My dear students, as you are in class 8, and I think you may go to Borishal from Madhupasha by bus or Alpha, and I think you saw some people in Goriyar Park live in makeshift tarpaulin tents, and you can also see them in Kashipur High School and College living in makeshift tarpaulin tents in sometimes. And these people are usually seen near the river bank or near a port of river. So they are called river gypsies. So we can see that river gypsies is an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They don't own any land of their own because they roaming across our rivers or waterways all the year round. I will write some question on the board. You will try to answer them. Do river gypsies own any land? Do the river gypsies own any land? You can answer this question. The river gypsies don't own any land. We'll develop our skills in this topic by asking and answering the question. And this is Unit 7 Lesson 3. You can ask me in winter where they are roam. In winter, we know that many of our water bodies or many of our rivers are dried up. In winter, when our rivers and water bodies dried up, they return to main field and they make camp for a couple of weeks. Then when the rainy season comes, then they return to the river. You can ask me, how is their income source? In rainy season or monsoon, they remain busy in fishing. But in winter, they return to the main field and people usually catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. The women often idle their time by here doing picking up lice 2 or 3 sitting in a row, and women also go from door to door to sell bankless, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pains from the body of old people. Many of our villagers believe the magical power of the Bede or river gypsies. They can even make a evil spirit leap from one's body. And many of our villagers believe this magical power of the gypsy. You can also see them diving on the river for natural pearls. They also dive for searching gold or other metals or valuable metals. But at present, the gypsies people are trying to change their lifestyle according with their sense of reality. So, from this topic, we can familiar with an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. In short, I will again tell about this. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They don't own any land of their own. They live on the boat, and these boats are their houses. They roam across our rivers and waterways all around the year. River gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. Men usually catch fish in monsoon. Besides, all the gypsy people remain busy in monsoon. But in winter, many rivers or waterways of our country are dried up, and in this time they return to the main field for living a couple of weeks, and they make makeshift tarpaulin tents. You can see their men relaxing in the tents on the picture, And you can also see their children or toddlers playing with domestic pets on the dust, and you can also see their men relaxing on the Thames. In the winter, many gypsy men catch snakes, and internet people with a snake charming, and they also sell herbal cures. Women often idle at the time by doing hair doing, picking up lice, sitting 2 or 3 in a row. Women also go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. And some of our villagers believe the magical power of the Bede or river gypsy. They can also make an evil spirit leave from one's body, and the gypsy people or Bede try to heal pains of the old people by sucking out blood from their body. So today I discussed Unit 7 Lesson 3 about river gypsy. I think you can understand something, and at home you will read the text again and again, and by the same time you will try to answer, make question and answer. Okay, bye everybody. Thanks for watching my class. Allah Hafiz.